Hey guys, I apologize if you can hear the fan. It's freakishly hot. I'm pretty sure it's gonna say travel somewhere in the title, and that's kind of where I've been. My lover has a gig in Vienna and we're gonna spend a few days afterwards to do like a little mini Euro trip. So I've been planning everything, all the hotels and the trains. And usually before a trip I do a few, I wouldn't say routines. Like I would do things that I would only do for a trip. Like a few years ago, I microbladed my eyebrows so I didn't have to worry about doing my brows when I was traveling, or I would paint my nails. That's the only time you will see me grow my nails is before a trip so that I can paint them. I just don't like the feeling of long nails. Like every career I've had, you needed to have short nails. But if I have time before a trip, I like to grow them and paint them. So I would do my nails, I did my eyebrows, I would whiten my teeth, I dye my hair. And the other year on our Spain trip, I actually did a lash lift. I'll put a clip right here so you can see what it looked like. And I didn't want to pay for that again because it's around $90, so I bought my own kit and I'm going to be using that today. So I'm going to be using that today, and the teeth whitening and this new hair dye brand I'm trying out. So the last time I dyed my hair brown or like had highlights was at a professional, but ever since then I've been just dyeing it red. And since I ran out of my red and I'm not going to buy it again because it's from L'Oreal and they test on animals, it's been really hard for me to find a vegan and cruelty-free hair dye. But I think I'm set. I found my new favorite hair dye. I love this. Let's just get straight into the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I apologize if you can hear the fans. It's extremely hot. Our AC is broken. So I have like 3 fans on, so I apologize. So I'm first gonna start with the Lash Lift. So this is from the brand The Original Lash Box. At least that's what they're called on Instagram. You could get this on Amazon. You probably should get this on Amazon because this specific brand comes from China and it takes a while to get to you. It does say it's cruelty-free and vegan, but I don't know, just the fact that it's made and shipped from China kind of feels iffy, you know? So I tried watching a couple videos to figure out how to use this because the instructions aren't very clear either. So let's open this. So you have false lashes glue, you have a perming solution, fixation, nutrition, and cleanser, and then you have the lift pads and cleaning tool. So with the lift pads, there's different sizes. You have small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and large, depending on your eye size or your lid space. I remember when I did get my lashes lifted that the lady was saying how she recommended that she uses a bigger pad on me because since I have long lashes, she said if I used a smaller one, they would just curve in and touch my eyelids. So I trusted her and I was like, okay, go ahead. So they actually look like this. There's like a pedal on it, but I cut that off because the pedal just pushes into my eyelid. All of them do that. Whatever size I use, it all pushes into my eyelid, so I just cut it off. And I kind of cut them off at the end too because they just couldn't fit on my eye. The first direction is to use the cleanser to remove any makeup residue, oil, dust. I wash my face. I don't think I'm gonna do that. It says apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotions. Put glue on the eye pads, then place it on the upper part of the eyelid. Make sure it is stayed. Okay, so make sure it is stayed. So reading comments and reading tips and tricks, everyone was saying to curl your lashes first. My lashes are super straight. They will not stick to this pad unless I curl them. So I'm gonna curl my lashes first, and then I'm gonna put eyelash glue on this and then stick it to my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna take the false lash glue and paint it on the back of this. I noticed that everyone waited for a bit for it to dry down, so that's what I'm gonna do. I really hope it doesn't pop off my lid. Oh crap, I probably should curl my lashes. So I can do that while I'm waiting for this to dry. So I think this is tacky. This is kind of what I'm scared of. So I'm just gonna look back and try to get it as close as I can to my lash line. I'm gonna hold it because it was popping off. Okay, that is not sticking to my eye. So no matter how I cut it, this just does not want to stick to the middle of my eye. I think because my lids are so curved. This is super annoying. Anyways, it says to glue your lashes to this. Yeah, they're not sticking at all. So annoying. Oh my gosh. I put glue on the pads. I put glue on my lashes. And I know this pad is ready to fall off. How do I do this? Okay, that's seriously the best I can do. Next it says to use Perm 1 lotion on the lashes and then to cover it with plastic wrap. Probably gonna have to do this again because it just doesn't look good. I assumed there was gonna be a brush in here like the eyelash glue, but how do I put that on? I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers. Oh, I'm scared if these pop off because they might like touch my eye. Do I put a lot? Do I put a little bit? Someone said not to put the perm solution all the way to the tips because it might fray them, but I kind of have to because like I have no space. On the box it doesn't say how long, but from people's videos it was 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna give it 12 minutes before I do the next step. This is gonna go so wrong, I swear. Okay, and then it says use the fixing agent number 2 and then put plastic wrap on it again, which I'm scared to do because so many of my lashes aren't sticking. Okay, I'm gonna put the plastic wrap back on for another 12 minutes. Okay, so it's been 12 minutes and now it says use the cleanser solution number 4 to clean off all the perm residue. So I'm guessing I just take a cotton swab and rub it back and forth with this, or at least I think that's what I saw. Okay, so I just dipped a Q-tip in there and I'm just gonna rub my lashes. So as of right now, I can't tell if these are curled because there's still glue in them holding them up. I remember when I got them done, I wasn't allowed to have them near water in like 24 hours. I wasn't allowed to put mascara or use an oil cleanser at all. But I might do this one more time. I mean, they are slightly more curled compared to this side, as you can see. But like I said, that could just be a lot of the glue holding it up because I can feel a lot of glue right here. But I mean, it kind of worked. It would have worked way better if my lashes stuck to the silicone mold more, but apparently you are allowed to wash or get water on your lashes after this. At least that's what they've been saying. So I mean, I'll truly know once I wash my face and get all this gunk off my lashes. So that practically took like an hour, so I'm gonna be doing the other side now. Okay, so while I work on this side, I'm gonna be trying out Lumineux Oral Essentials. These are teeth whitening strips. They're both vegan and cruelty free. I used to whiten my teeth all the time. I first started doing it with Whitening Lightning. I don't know if anyone remembers that brand. I went to a professional. I've used Crest White strips. Like, I've tried a bunch. And I usually just whiten my teeth right before a trip. 12 shades whiter. I kind of doubt that because even when I went to a professional, I think I went up to like 4 shades whiter. It says 12 shades whiter. For 28 strips, 14 treatments, both for your top and bottom. So yeah, these are just like Crest White strips, but just cruelty free and vegan. So you keep them on for 30 minutes. It comes with a free whitening toothpaste and whitening mouthwash. And then you get a bunch, all these white strips. So that's what it looks like. What I do is I dry off my teeth with a tissue. I just tap off all of this so that this can stick better. Oh wait, let's do a before and after. So I'll just screenshot this right here. So you guys are the ones who can tell the difference because I'm in front of all these bright lights, so kind of looks the same to me. Do you guys think they look whiter? I think they do. They look a little whiter. What I love about this is I have very sensitive teeth and there was no pain, no sensitivity. Even if it didn't make it like 5-6 shades whiter, I think maybe like 1 shade, it doesn't matter because there's 12 strips and you could basically use them every day because they're not painful. I washed the residue off my eyelids. I don't know if you can even tell if they're curled anymore. I think they're like slightly curled. I'm probably gonna do another round I don't know if I want to wait a week or do it right now. So the last step is nutrition, and it says to brush it through your eyelashes with a mascara brush. So I'm gonna try and do that. So I know this is gonna work. I just obviously have to get it better at it. But it was just extremely hard because my lashes are so straight and they just couldn't stick. So number one tip, I would say definitely curl your lashes before you put it on. Number two, definitely use plastic wrap, because if I didn't put a plastic wrap, all my lashes would fall off of the pad. But as of right now, those are the results of both of those. So first impressions, yeah, I really like them. Oh, and I never showed you guys the results of my hair dye. So even though that was 7N blonde, I obviously didn't think it was gonna lighten my hair, but it did even out everything. And I noticed that every time whenever I dye my hair red and it washes off, my color is very bronzy. Like, I forgot what that word is. Oh, brassy. So what I like to do is get a trash bag and make a hole. So it comes with the hair color and the developer and just some instructions and the conditioner. So I have my bowl and my brush. No, I really like that hair dye. The conditioner they have in the box is my favorite out of all hair dye conditioners I've used. But I think it's a really pretty color. So yeah, again, that was the Herbatint 7N blonde. I think I might go a shade or two lighter next time I dye my hair. It just basically made my hair color look like my natural hair color. If they sell that conditioner they have in here separately, I'll definitely buy it. Okay guys, we're all set. I'm gonna go like soak in ice or something because it is disgustingly hot in here. I'll be back with a few more travel videos before our trip. So I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching, guys.